Are you a landlord drowning in paperwork and desperately seeking a life raft in the turbulent sea of property management? Well, today, we're diving deep into Innago, a property management software platform, to see if it's the solution you've been searching for. First, let's talk tenant screening. Innago allows you to run comprehensive background checks, credit reports, and eviction history, all within the platform. This helps you find qualified tenants and minimize potential headaches down the road. Next up is online rent collection. Say goodbye to chasing down checks. Innago offers tenants a convenient way to pay rent online via ACH, debit, or credit card, and automatically tracks payments, sending reminders when needed. This will save you both time and money. Maintenance requests are a breeze with Innago's built-in system. Tenants can submit requests online, including photos and descriptions. You can then easily assign tasks to vendors, track progress, and communicate with both the tenant and the vendor directly within the platform. Finally, let's touch on accounting. Innago provides basic accounting features to help you track income and expenses, generate reports, and manage your property finances. While it might not replace a full-fledged accounting software for larger operations, it's a solid starting point for many landlords. So, is Innago right for you? It excels in ease of use, affordability, and core features. However, its accounting capabilities might be limited for complex portfolios. Weigh the pros and cons based on your specific needs and property management style before making a decision. We hope this review helped you decide whether Innago is the right choice for you. Be sure to visit Innago's website for more information and to see if it fits the management of your properties. Thanks for watching.